Oh, you're early.
Well, they don't call me Early Bird Bob for nothing. Actually, nobody's ever called me that. But I do like to go the extra mile, as I showed on Christmas Day, didn't I? Stepping up when you needed me.
Yeah, very much appreciated that, Bob. Thank you.
Brilliant, yeah. Anytime. Yeah, I was just, sounds a bit daft, this. Can't believe I'm actually asking you, but...
What are you asking me, Bob?
Right, so the twins were expecting these console games for Christmas, and me being me, got the wrong ones. Ended up having to take them back to the shop.
Oh, first mistake. Never admit you're wrong to the kids. Blame it on Santa.
Well, maybe next time, yeah. But well, cut a long story short, the ones that they expected, well, I could only afford one. So I was hoping that extra shift that I did counted as double time.
No.
Oh.
I mean, if I pay you double, Bob, I'd have to pay everyone else double. You know, it's New Year's Eve as well. I'm sorry, I just can't afford it. Times are hard, you know what I mean?
Yeah, sure, yeah, just a thought. This is... I am going to get off.
Boo! Did she just boo?
Yes, she did.
Let's just have one more. We've only just started. I tell you what, why don't we go into town and have a mad one instead?
I've had a few too many mad ones recently, but another time though, yeah? I'll see you later. See you tomorrow.
Yes, you will.
Oh, Bob, delivery, double delivery, coming at 10. I need you there for it, OK?
Yeah, and I will be, boss.
Thank you.
Bob!
Hi, Diane. Look, I'm really sorry. I know I shouldn't have taken that whiskey from the bar, but I have every intention of paying for it.
Oh, don't be daft. I haven't come to see you about that.
What have you come to see me about?
There's something I need to tell you. Oh, I still can't believe it's happening. But we're going to be evicted soon, and we'll need somewhere to stay until we find something else.
I think I know where this is going.
I'm sorry. I'm going to have to ask for your room back, just so the family will have somewhere to stay for a while.
Don't be sorry, you know. It was always meant to be a short-term thing anyway, so...
Well, now you know you'll be able to find something else.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I appreciate it. Hey, go house hunting.
Bob? Listen, don't tell anyone, by the way, but I've been thinking. Double time is the least that I owe you for yesterday, OK? Call it a change of heart.
Oh, thank you, Charity.